Hey gems, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome, and please hit that subscribe and bell notification button so that you are notified every single time that I post. And for those who are subscribed to my channel and watching this video, thank you for 315 subscribers, you guys. I'm so grateful that my channel is growing and you guys are amazing. So if you haven't seen my last two videos before this one, I'm using the By Red Versagel, and I made a whole bunch of lip glosses with this Versagel. The chunky lip gloss that I made was the first time that I used this Versagel. So if you haven't seen that video, I will link it down below. And the pigment that I am using is from a small business owner. She's no longer in business, so this gloss is going to be limited edition. So if you haven't already, follow me on Instagram as well as shop my small business at www.honeysluxco.com. I will also leave that down in the description, as well as you guys can use the code SUBBY for a discount that's for only my YouTube subscribers. So make sure you guys grab this lip gloss before it sells out and watch the video to the end to see how it looks on my lips. But yeah, I also mixed some liquid pigments into the mixture as well. I used a white pigment, another shimmer pigment, and it was another pigment, I don't remember. But I didn't just use, just the pigment that I received. I did just create this lip gloss, just mixing things together at home board, So yeah, it will be on my website. And I'm just mixing everything up, you guys. It looks white, you guys, on here, but it is a really beautiful shimmer holographic lip gloss that I created myself, and you can't get it nowhere else but for me. Also, you guys, if not my subscribers, but people that are just watching, if you don't watch the video like to the end, you won't know exactly what I use in my lip gloss, because on my previous videos, like, I tell you guys everything that I use in my glosses, as well as I link them down below, like all the ingredients as to where I get them from. And people, they don't actually watch my videos. They just ask me, oh, where did you get this? Where did you get that? Like, if you watch my videos, you will know. And I don't know, like, sometimes it's upsetting when people be like, where did you get this? Where did you get that? And it's like, did you watch the video? So yeah, just watch the video and you will get all the information that you need, because I always tell you guys everything that I use and where I get everything from. Also, the pigments that I use, the liquid pigments, they are from TKB Trading. I still shop at TKB Trading for my small business. And I also got not a pigment, but a flavoring oil from TKB Trading. And then I mixed it with one of my Get Sucker flavoring oils, and this lip gloss literally smells like brown sugar, you guys. Like, it smells so amazing. And I literally made everything from scratch by myself, like just creating stuff. And I'm so proud, you guys. And here I am adding the holographic glitter into the mix. And the pigment, you guys, I bought it like when I first started my business. So and the girl, she's out of business. We were following each other on my business page, but her Instagram is no longer active. So yeah, after putting in the holographic glitter, it did make the silver sheer look, because the lip gloss is sheer, but it is most definitely buildable. But it made it get a tint of gray, silver, whatever you want to call it. And I'm just adding more oils into the mix, because using castor oil, it can make your base thicker and harder to mix. So you can just add more castor oil, which may seem redundant, but you just add more, or add more of whatever oil that you like. Coconut oil, I know people like use that in their lip glosses, and they shouldn't, but that's their business. But yeah, you guys, this color is so beautiful. I love it so much. And the white pigment that I used in my lip gloss, it is the same white pigment that I got from TKB Trading that I used in my new lip gloss video. I will link that video also down below. But literally, that is the same pigment. I don't always buy new things for my business unless I really have to, because it's, you know, like when you're a small business, you don't really have like all the money to just be buying stuff, coming out with new products right away. So I literally use what I have, and I make amazing things with it. So if you're a small business owner or a lip gloss maker, it's okay to start with what you have and run with it. And with the liquid pigments, a little bit goes a long way. Like, you will have that thing forever, and they are so reasonable at TKB Trading. I also use a preservative in my lip gloss, because when I first started making lip gloss, I didn't. And with lip liquids, sometimes if you don't, well, all the time, if you don't use a preservative, your lip gloss can oxidize, meaning that it will separate, or it will like turn a weird color. You also could use vitamin E. That is a natural preservative as well. You could use that in your lip gloss. I'm not sure if the preservative from TKB Trading is natural, but they have one on their website. They have, well, more than one. Or you can just look around for things to add into your business, but make sure you do your research, because this is going on people's lips and their skin, and we don't want anyone having an allergic reaction. Here I am filling my tubes. As you guys always know, I always use a new syringe, a new pipette, and gloves making my lip gloss, so it is totally safe to shop Honey's Lux Co. And you guys, sometimes it is a hit and miss with me filling the tubes for you guys on camera, because whatever way I cut the pipette, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. But I found out that if you use, if you cut it down like to the very end and not leave like that big space from the pipette, it will stick and it won't come off. Like, you don't have to use tape or anything. And yes, I do have a filler machine, but I don't use that for my lip gloss. I only use that for my hair growth oil sometimes. And my body oils, I do have body oils, you guys, as well for the summer. And I will eventually make a video of me showing you guys how I make them, how I label them. But you guys, I have been so busy. Fall semester is about to start back for me for school. I've been decluttering my house, just doing normal things, getting my car fixed, all these other things I have to do daily. I'm going to start trying to vlog for you guys so you guys can see like what I actually do, like a day in my life or a week in my life. Let me know down in the comments if you guys would be interested in that. But I do a lot during the week and stuff. And I also went to one of my US vendors because I'm going to be adding like some apparel to my website. So yeah, you guys, I do be busy and I do have new things coming to my business. So make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at HoneyLuxCo, as well as shop HoneyLuxCo. And this is how the glosses look and the tubes. I'm going to be upgrading these tubes again eventually, but I love this gloss, you guys. This is how they look, and thank you all for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and leave me video suggestions or just leave me a comment. Let's start a conversation. Bye, guys.